Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and pause your location right there in your 360 app, Life360 app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your app over here. Once the app is open, for example, if you want to pause your location for a time being or currently don't want it to be shared or anything like that, what you can do is you can simply tap on the settings icon given on top left corner of your mobile phone, tap on this location sharing option and the third option, and now you can see this option which is your username plus this option right here which is turned on. So if you tap on this, and it will be turned off. This way you will be able to turn off your location sharing, which also includes the term pausing your location right there in Life360. So yes guys, this is the way you can come over here and turn it off or on according to your need. If it's by default turned on, go ahead, tap on it and turn off as you would like to. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.